celebrations. Have a nice and a very wonderful day. Thank you so much.
Mr. Jack for that inspiring message. Today is not just a celebration. It is a showcase of culture. A panel of judges will help us recognize the candidates who best embody the United Nations values. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our Grade 5 advisor, Ms. Evelyn M. Escanes, for the introduction to the Board of Judges and the reading of the criteria for judging. A big hand, please.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. What a wonderful day to celebrate talent, creativity, and confidence. It's truly a privilege to introduce to you our esteemed panel of judges for today's competition. These remarkable individuals are not only experts in their respective fields, but they are also passionate mentors who inspire excellence, creativity in everything they do. Let's get to know them. First up, we have Miss Teacher Justine S. Gezun. She graduated with a Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in marketing, and also holds a master's degree in Business Administration. She has a strong background in the corporate world as an HR professional and later shared her expertise as professor at Parañaque City College. Now, she continued to inspire young minds as senior high school teacher at Tongala National High School. Please give her a big round of applause. Next, we have teacher Hazel E. Yolo, a passionate and dedicated educator. She earned her Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English. And she is currently pursuing her master's degree in education, major in educational management. Before joining the public school system, she gained valuable experience as a call center agent, ESL teacher, and private school teacher, all of which honed her communication and teaching skills. Today, she continues to guide students toward excellence as junior high school English teacher. Let's hear it for Teacher Hazel. And last, but definitely not least, we have Teacher Chris